Hey there, I'm Katie with WTI, and this cozy little number right here has been my family's favorite blanket since it entered our home. This boho print blanket by UKELER is fantastic. It is so soft. Both sides of it are soft, so you can decide if you want this nice fluffy bit on your skin or this smooth, beautiful print on your skin. You won't regret either way. What we love so much about this goes beyond how incredibly soft it is, but it's also nice and thick and weighted. So you just feel so comfy and cozy wrapped up in it. Now, it's not very often that I actually get the chance to cuddle up with this because between my husband and my two kids, whoever grabs it first is the one to get it. I like that it is big enough to share if you're willing to snuggle. As my daughter says, two besties in a blanket. The colors are beautiful and rich with a great saturation. It goes really well with my home, but it can go with a lot of different styles. And if you don't like something this bold, then there's more to choose from, or you can just flip it over to the gray Sherpa side. If you're looking for a new throw in your house, then check this one out. I just know you're gonna love it because we sure do. And that's our point of view.